Most of the products we cover on this channel are very impressive, but some are on a completely different level. Today, we will take a look at some of the most impressive gadgets that are currently available or in production. Welcome to Future Tech. But before we begin, be sure to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up to date on all of our future uploads. Nine. Glamos. Glamos is a product that was designed by former employees of Samsung. This tiny device aims to turn any screen into a fully functional touchscreen by utilizing LiDAR technology. The device is pocket-sized and works as instantly as the touchscreen on your smartphone or tablet. It can be used from as far as 3 feet away from the device, offering a complete 180-degree field of view. Setup is quick and easy, and the product is impressively responsive to gestures or virtual touches. It claims to be compatible with most smartphones, tablet, and modern computers, with Mac support even being rumored. This technology has been in development for many years, but most of us likely believe that products like this were nothing more than science fiction. However, Glamos is here to change the way we think about touchscreens. The uses for this product are vast, with the technology being able to turn any television into a touchscreen device, allowing any screen to instantly become a gaming console, or any wall to become a large-scale touchscreen. A single Glamos device can be purchased for just $119, but they are selling out quite quickly, so you better act fast if you are looking to have one delivered before this summer. 8. Rolova. Rolova is an all-new type of measuring tape that claims to be the world's first compact and digital rolling ruler. This device aims to replace your traditional tape measure, as it can map out curves, corners, and other unconventional angles that a typical tape measure may not be able to measure. This product has received a massive amount of support on Indiegogo, with it managing to meet its goal rather quickly. There are currently over 3,000 supports of this incredible product, with the company offering its early adopters a discounted purchase price of $75. For any contractor or hobbyist, this device will be irreplaceable in almost any practical application. Classic tape measures are clunky, difficult to work around corners, and even dangerous in some scenarios. This device takes the difficulty out of measuring complex surfaces, objects, and materials. The company even suggests that the Rolova could be used in retail clothing environments to measure the waistline of an individual who is looking to purchase custom-tailored clothing. The minimalistic design and aluminum body ensure that this product is easy to use and durable enough to last a lifetime. 7. Focus Buds. This product is likely to be a bit controversial among many viewers, but these earbuds claim to boost your productivity and help you maintain focus during difficult working conditions. The Focus Buds use EEG neurofeedback technology to help you focus and block out distractions that may be holding you back. This patented technology was developed to keep your brain in a state of deep focus, with this feature being triggered at will with the simple push of a button. The buds can be paired to nearly any device via Bluetooth and even have an embedded microphone for use during phone calls or for activation of a virtual assistant. The buds offer unsurpassed sound quality and even noise isolation features. They can be used for up to 8 hours on a single charge and are equipped with AI technology that can help track your focal patterns. With a price tag of $269, these earbuds are certainly not cheap. However, they do come with a 6-month subscription to Brain.fm, a service that aims to further this product and also improve your focus ability. 6. Fingerbot. Fingerbot is a device that all of us could likely find a use for around the house. This product can control all of your home devices or appliances through its intelligent app or voice control services. The device supports Alexa, Google Home, and Siri integration and is a simple step toward the smart home of your dreams. The device is extremely simple. It is a switching device that can be activated by your home voice assistant. You simply need to pair the device with the voice controller of your choosing and say a phrase such as, "Alexa, turn on the coffee pot." If the switch is attached to your coffee pot, the mechanism will trigger and your coffee pot switch will be turned on. The company says that the device is compatible with most technologies that can turn on or off with a button or a switch. You could even use the switcher to turn on the light switch in your bedroom, your air conditioner, or the touchscreen of an important device. Priced at just $29, the Fingerbot will be difficult to pass up for most investors. It is available now on Indiegogo. 5. Bixby Jet. The Bixby Jet is a device that will send us soaring into the future, or swimming, depending on how you see it. This device is a handheld battery-powered waterproof propeller motor that is designed to be held in your hand and utilized while underwater. The device acts as a small engine or motor and can propel you into your surrounding waters without you needing to swim, paddle, or exert any effort other than pulling a trigger. Simply choose your speed, dive, and let the Bixby Jet do all the work. Batteries can hold a charge for over 2 hours and can be used at depths of up to 100 feet. These jets are currently on sale for just $620, making them surprisingly affordable for most divers. They can be found on several online retailers, but the Bixby website is the best place to go for the most recent sales and information. 4. Wagner Heat Gun. The Wagner Heat Gun is a device that has likely made its way into the toolboxes of many mechanics, craft hobbyists, and plumbers around the world. This heat gun can pump out air at blazing temperatures of over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The gun can be used for a variety of home projects, including paint removal, caulking, adhesive removal or repair, and even putty applications. You can use the gun to loosen rusty bolts, being plastic tubing, and even shrink-wrap gifts. The gun can be adjusted between 2 different temperatures, making it ideal for nearly any project. It includes a stand so that it can be turned on and then left to heat your object for any length of time without interference. Best of all, these guns can be found on Amazon for just $19.88 with free shipping. Three. Cycling rain pants. For anyone who loves to ride a bike, it's easy to be deterred from biking in the rain. Riding a bike in the rain can be dangerous because of low visibility, and also uncomfortable due to the water and humidity. However, Mova Cycling has developed cycling rain pants that aim to remedy these issues. This product is designed to allow riders to ride their bikes any time of day and during any form of wet weather. These pants will protect you from wind and rain, but will not cause you to sweat or become uncomfortable. They offer reflective coatings so that you can still be seen by any oncoming traffic and provide enough flexibility to prevent chafing. The company even offers jackets to be worn alongside the pants to have a completely reflective and rain-repellent outfit. The pants can be purchased for just $159, and the combination of pants and a jacket can be found for $295. 2. Notpla. Notpla is a company with a very simple goal: to make packaging disappear. This company has developed a type of packaging that is based on seaweed and is 100% biodegradable over time. It is designed to break down within just a few weeks of its initial packaging, meaning that landfills may no longer have to be filled with bulky plastic and paper packaging supplies. The idea behind the product is very similar to the wrapper of a Tide Pod, though it is completely safe for use on food, liquids, and other products that are designed to be used within a few weeks of purchase. The company is only selling their packaging to larger companies and manufacturers at the moment, but we can't wait to see what companies adopt this technology in the near future. One. VTEX. VTEX is a new type of shoe that could remedy the many issues that plague us during times of severe weather. This shoe is produced by a company based in Taiwan and is designed to be waterproof, breathable, lightweight, antibacterial, sandproof, and even wind and cold resistant. The shoes are available now on Indiegogo and come in a variety of styles and colors. A single pair can be purchased for just $99, setting them in line with major brands such as Nike, Skechers, or Timberland.